In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your coding workflow using GitHub Copilot to identify and resolve code errors efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, leveraging Copilot can help you debug faster, allowing you to focus more on the creative aspects of coding. To begin, make sure your coding environment is set up with GitHub Copilot enabled. This might sound like a simple step, but ensuring that your environment is correctly configured can save you a lot of time down the road. Once Copilot is properly installed, integrated, and ready to go, you'll have a valuable tool at your fingertips to assist in identifying bugs in your code. Now, you're going to start by inputting the code snippets that contain the bugs or errors you're trying to address. It could be a piece of new logic you've created or an existing function that isn't behaving as expected. If you have specific issues you suspect might be causing trouble but aren't sure how to fix them, Copilot can provide those crucial insights. When inserting your code, make sure to include enough context for Copilot to understand what the code intends to do. This will allow it to make the most accurate suggestions. Next, interact with Copilot to identify and suggest fixes for these errors. You can ask Copilot directly by typing a comment or a simple prompt in your code editor, explaining what you're trying to achieve or the issue at hand. It might look something like a question or even just a statement of what the code should do or what isn't working. As Copilot scans through your code, it will leverage its comprehensive dataset to pinpoint potential fixes or improvements. Pay attention to the suggestions provided by Copilot. It may offer a variety of solutions, allowing you to choose which one fits best with your intended coding style or project requirements. Sometimes the first suggestion might not be perfect, but subsequent options can offer a more fitting solution. This interactive process not only aids in debugging, but also provides a learning opportunity, helping you to understand underlying issues or alternative approaches. Finally, once you've settled on a suggested fix from Copilot, implement the changes and test your revised code thoroughly. Testing ensures that the issues are resolved and helps verify that no additional bugs were introduced during the fixing process. Don't underestimate the value of multiple tests. Even when a fix seems perfect, verifying through testing remains a best practice. By following these steps, you can enhance your productivity and improve your coding proficiency by making Copilot an integral part of your development toolkit. Whether you're tackling simple projects or complex algorithms, Copilot can be your coding companion, turning debugging headaches into manageable tasks. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!